And so today we have a new set of socks that I have ordered for myself. I personally really like cotton socks, and these are some great cotton socks that I was able to find. Show you what they look like. You get, wow, bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Nice little bag, company logo there. Nothing really there. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of socks, and all of these socks actually have, I've never seen this, these little like clips to keep them together. That's pretty cool. Even got one up here. Never seen that before. Very nice. So I personally picked these socks due to the fact that they are 80% cotton. So they're a lot more breathable. They're only 3% spandex and 17% nylon. I used to have really stinky feet, and to be 100% honest, having cotton socks has seemed to solve that. So that's why I'm always looking for the most cotton in a sock. And these had 80%, so they won. Great set of socks. They feel nice. They should be very, very comfortable. No real complaints. And personally, I like the little look of them, and they won't show, which I know my wife will love that. So that'll do it for this 6-pack of socks. Again, this company did not send them to me. I bought these myself because I will be using them. But thank you all for watching this demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.